How much should you really spend on a booster seat? Because I've seen parents drop over $100 thinking it's safer, only to return it a week later. Meanwhile, others grab a $20 cushion and wonder why it slips or feels flimsy. The truth is, price doesn't always mean protection. Let's break down the real differences. Product number 1, Hiccapop Uber Boost Inflatable. First up, the Hiccapop Uber Boost. This inflatable booster seat caught my eye because it's designed for travel, not daily use. At $42, it's mid-range, but what makes it unique is how it inflates in under 20 seconds and rolls into a tiny bag. If you're constantly jumping into Ubers, renting cars, or carpooling, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It meets all federal safety standards, FMVSS 213, so it's not just a soft pillow, it actually positions the seatbelt correctly across your child's lap, not their stomach. The non-skid base grips leather or fabric seats, and its narrow design lets you fit 3 across in smaller cars. Over 3,000 sold last month shows parents are trusting it for on-the-go safety. Now some people complain that it feels less stable than a rigid seat, and honestly, that's fair. It's inflatable, so it doesn't have the solid frame of a traditional booster. But here's the thing, for occasional use, it's way better than nothing and way easier to carry than a bulky seat. This is perfect for you if you travel often or need a backup seat for grandparents' cars. Skip this one if your kid rides daily, you'll want something sturdier. Still, for portability and certified safety, it's a smart buy. Product number 2, SMZCTYI Dining Booster. Alright, that was a car seat, but what about meal time? The SMZCTYI Booster Seat is a dining-focused cushion at just $25, and over 2,000 bought recently proves it's popular. It's not for the car, this is for the kitchen table. If you're tired of your toddler sliding off chairs or straining to reach the table, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses high-density foam with a PU leather cover that's waterproof and wipes clean in seconds. Spilled yogurt? No problem. The double safety straps anchor it to the chair, and anti-slip silicone on the bottom keeps it from sliding. It's also lightweight, just 1.3 pounds, so you can toss it in a diaper bag for restaurants. Now some parents said it arrived compressed and took a day to fully expand. That's true, the packaging is vacuum sealed, and it needs 24-48 hours to puff up. But once it does, it holds its shape well. Don't let that scare you, it's normal for memory foam products. This is perfect for you if you eat out often or have a small dining space. Skip this one if you need something for car rides, it's not crash tested. But for mealtime safety and convenience, it's a steal at this price. Product number 3, Safety First Grand 2-in-1 Old Soul. Now, if the inflatable seat felt too temporary, this next one is built to last. The Safety First Grand 2-in-1 in Old Soul color is $86, and it's a long-term investment. It grows with your child from 40 pounds all the way to 100. If you want one seat that lasts years, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It converts from a high back booster with a 5-point harness to a backless belt positioning seat. That means better protection as your kid grows, and the adjustable headrest gives proper neck support. Plus, it's slim, designed to fit 3 across, which is huge for families with multiple kids. Over 1,000 sold shows it's a trusted pick. Now, some reviewers mention the harness can be tricky to adjust at first. I'll be real, it took me a few tries to get it snug without twisting, but once you learn it, it's secure. And the machine washable pad helps when spills happen. This is perfect for you if you want durability and long-term use. Skip this one if you only need something short-term. For growing kids, it's one of the best values in its category. Product number 4, Safety First Grand 2-in-1 Black Sparrow. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one might actually be even better for safety-conscious parents. The Safety First Grand 2-in-1 in Black Sparrow is nearly identical to the last one, same 2-in-1 design, same weight range. But it's $101 and includes both latch and seatbelt installation. If you drive a newer car with latch anchors, this version gives you extra stability. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The latch system locks the seat in place, reducing movement during sudden stops. That's a big deal for safety, especially in SUVs or minivans where seats can shift. It still fits 3 across, still has the washable pad and cup holders, and still grows with your child. Now, some parents said it's a bit heavier than expected, around 18 pounds. That's true, and it's not as easy to move between cars as lighter models. But if it's staying in one vehicle, that's not an issue. This is perfect for you if you prioritize maximum installation security. Skip this one if you're constantly switching cars. For primary vehicle use, the added stability makes it worth the extra cost. Product number 5, CAVWWTYU Kitchen Booster. Finally, another dining booster, but this one's even more compact. The CAVWWTYU booster is only $21.56, and at 1.1 pounds, it's one of the lightest I've seen. If you want something simple, portable, and budget-friendly for home or travel, this is worth a serious look. The 2 safety straps and anti-slip bottom keep it secure on most chairs, and the zipper lets you remove the cover for cleaning. It's also European-style gray, which looks clean and modern. Now, some buyers noted it's best for kids under 20 pounds, so toddlers only. Older kids might find it too small. And while it's safe for dining, it's not for car use. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable, easy-to-clean seat for home meals or travel. Skip this one if your child is over 3 or you need car safety features. For pure mealtime use, it's a great minimalist pick. So which booster seat is best? If you travel a lot, the Hiccapop Inflatable is a game changer. For dining, the SMZCTYI or CAVWWTYU offer great value. But for long-term car safety, the Safety First 2-in-1 models, especially the Black Sparrow with latch, are the most reliable. Don't overpay for features you don't need, but don't skimp on crash protection. Choose based on your lifestyle and your kid stays safe and comfy.